हेलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं 2024 टू 25 एनएसओ सेट बी पेपर। यहाँ पे एक एक करके हम लोग सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स को देखते चलते हैं और सॉल्व करते चलते हैं। ओके, फिर करते हैं स्टार्ट। एनएसओ 2024 टू 25 सेट बी, 12 नवंबर को ये पेपर अभी हुआ है। नाउ डिस्कस करते हैं हम इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लॉजिकल रीजनिंग्स एरिया का। नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हेयर, how many different possible combinations of one candle and one matchstick each can be formed from the given candles and matchstick? So number of possibilities here, that is 10. So option D is right answer. Now second question, select the incorrect match of an object with its shape. So हमें यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है, तो ध्यान देना है। फर्स्ट हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है, सेकंड भी करेक्ट आंसर है। C, that is the cone, so it is wrong answer but it is right option. So option C is right answer for this question because we are going to find out incorrect answers. Okay, now यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड। If March is called January, March is called January, January is called August, August is called February, then dash come just July, just after July, after July के बाद अगस्त आता है, so August is called February. तो option B is right answer for this question. Now move for question 4. See here, question number 4. Paper fan dash is 6 to right of third paper fan. 6 to right of third paper fan from the left hand. Left hand in the given arrangement. Left hand से 6 to right of the third paper fan from left hand. मतलब it means L से S से हमें move करना है 6 to right of third paper fan. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So option B is right. So option C is right answer for this question number 4. Paper fan is 6 to right. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि from third paper fan from the left hand. So हम यहाँ पे S से counting start करेंगे. So option C is right answer. Now move for question number 5. यहाँ पर देखते हैं क्वेश्चन है select the correct mirror image of the following figure. So mirror image correct find करने के लिए हमें डायरेक्ट इसी फॉर्म में देखना है क्या है सॉल्यूशन हमारा. सो ऑप्शन ए इज राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ मूव फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 here, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर है, which of the following is not a method of cooking? Pickling, grilling, roasting and sieving. So option 1 and 4 is not the method of cooking. So option D is right answer for this question. Now देखते हैं question number 7. Select the odd one out on the basis of breathing organ they possess. So A, B, C all breathe through nose, but option D it breathe through the skin. So option D is right answer for this question. Now question number 8. Select the incorrect option regarding the body parts of bird shown in the given figure. Q helps bird to perch on the tree, right? Q helps bird to swim in, S helps bird to swim in the water, is this correct? R helps bird to crack open nuts and seeds. So this option is incorrect but option C is right answer for this question. So option C it is wrong answer. P helps bird to suck nectar from it is correct. Now move for question number 9. Question number 9 here, which of the following statement is not correct about the bird? तो ऑप्शन सी, bones of birds are solid and heavy. तो ये wrong answer है क्योंकि bones of birds are hollow and light to make flight easier. So option C is right answer. Now question number 10. Which of the following animal takes its food in the same manner as in the animal shown in the figure X? So option A is right answer for this question. Now move for question number 11. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identified X. So refer to the given. So इस question के लिए tent is special house mostly see in the Greenland. So mostly Greenland में कौन से किस टाइप के हाउस देखे जाते हैं? तो ग्रीनलैंड का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा? इग्लू. इग्लू इज राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. रेफर टू गिवन वेन डायग्राम एंड सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट करेक्टली आइडेंटिफाइज एक्स. सो स्पेशल हाउस जो कि ग्रीनलैंड में मोस्टली देखा जाता है दैट इज इग्लू. ऑप्शन सी इज राइट आंसर. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Question number 12 here. Select the correct option to complete the given analogy. Postal communication, aerogrammy, mass communication. It is radio. So option D is right answer for this, because we are talking about mass communication. So this is radio is right answer for this question. Now see the question number 13. Mitali met different group of 3 organ each that belong to the same organ system. By mistake she placed a wrong organ in one of the group. Identify the wrong group and select correct option. So kidney, ureter, urinary ये same organ system का part है. Stomach, pancreas, small ये भी same है, correct है. Skull, ribcage, backbone, these are the correct. So brain, blood vessel and spinal cord. ये क्या है? Blood vessel हमारा circulatory system का part है. So option B is right answer for this question. Now move for question number 14. See in the question number 14 here, refer to the Venn diagram and select the incorrect statement regarding X. It is nearest star to our Earth. It is the 5th largest planet of our solar system. It has only one nature, both be. It is heavenly body that has its own light. Its gravitational force hold the earth. It's fixed. So option A is right answer for this question. Option A is right answer for this question. Now question number 15 देखते हैं यहाँ पे. Which of the following is an example of sublimation? Sublimation का मतलब क्या है कि solid जो होता है वो direct convert होता है gas form में. So ऑप्शन बी देखते हैं यहाँ पे. कैम्फर दे रखा है. कैम्फर टैबलेट डिसअपेयर आफ्टर फ्यू डेज व्हेन केप्ट इन कूल. सो ऑप्शन बी इज राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ मूव फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. सम टाइम ड्यूरिंग विंटर वाटर वेपर्स कंडेंस इनटू टाइनी वाटर ड्रॉपलेट सस्पेंडेड इन the air near the ground level. This is what we will call it. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Yes. So option is dew. Dew is right answer for this question. Sometime during winter, water vapor condenses into tiny water droplets suspended in air near the ground. So this is known as the dew. Dew is right answer for question number 16. Now see question number 17. Which of the following object will cast the darkest shadow if the light shown on them is same? So cardboard is right answer for this question. Now move for question number 18. Sorry, this one done. Move for question number 18. So here question number 18, refer to the given diagram representing the interconversion of different states of matter P, Q and R. Identify them. So P melting, Q and evaporation, then R condense, Q and freezing. So correct option is right. Correct option C is right answer, because आइस जो होता है वो मेल्ट करते हैं लिक्विड वाटर से ये वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट होता है, अगेन कंडेंस एंड कन्वर्ट इन लिक्विड एंड देन इट इज कन्वर्टेड सॉलिड फॉर्म. सो ऑप्शन C is right answer for this question. Now move for question number 19. Select the option that on unscrambling given the name of hard rock that is used for making floor of houses. So option D, make the granite. So it is D is right answer for this question. Select the odd one out on the basis of luminous and non-luminous, that is the moon. So correct option is D. So आगे हम देखते हैं achiever section के question and question from 21 onwards in the next video. Thank you. Like and subscribe this channel.